All right, this modeling activity you are welcome to do on your own at home, or you can wait and do it in class. One change you need to make before you get started, if you look down here on the chart, my copy says radioactive has an M, and stable with no radioactivity has no M. Please make sure to make that change on your chart now. All right, so the first thing you want to do is turn all of your M&Ms M side up. This represents radioactive molecules. Now you might find while you're working on this that some of your M&Ms actually have no M at all. So then you would have some recorded here in the stable column, that they're always going to be stable. They're not going to change. So record the total number that you have with the M's and record the total number that you have with no M's at all in round one. Now return all M&Ms to a cup, shake them, and gently pour them out. However they come out on the table is how you want to count them. So if when they come out of the cup onto the table, you see the M side up, you count that number. However they come out on the table, if the M side is down, you count that number. Those are your stable molecules. You're going to add whatever you count here for stable molecules to the previous rounds. Your stable molecule numbers should be going up and up and up. So let's say your first round you only had 3 stable molecules. The second time, when you pour out the M&Ms, more are going to land face side down, so you won't see the M. So let's say you have 10 in the next round. That would give you a total of actually 13 stable isotopes. Then you're going to remove all the stable isotopes, so you should have a total of 13 out of that first round. Put all your radioactive ones back in the cup. Then you're going to go back to step 2 and you shake all of those, pour them out on the table. However many you have in round 3 that land on the table, M up, those are your radioactive. However many land M down, those are your stable. You pull the stable M&Ms or stable isotopes out again, and reshake with all of the radioactive M's. And you may find that you don't have a full 8 rounds. You may find, just by the way your numbers shake out, that you have no more radioactive M&Ms after round 6. That's okay. That's how it works out sometimes. All right, so then you'll come down here and you're going to graph your data, remembering that the x-axis, the one that goes this way, is going to have your independent variable, and your y-axis is going to have your dependent variable. So what information is going to go on your x-axis? Well, the thing that changes from round to round is going to be the number of radioactive versus stable isotopes. So you can do this as a bar graph. You can do this as a line graph. Either one is okay. If you do this as a line graph, or bar graph, you want to make sure that you show radioactive versus stable isotopes in different colors. Your x-axis is going to show change over time. That would be rounds 1 through however many you do. And the number that goes up the side, the thing that changes with every round, is going to be the total number of radioactive isotopes. When you get done with your graph, these 2 questions here are going to be easy for you to answer, and they are on your worksheet. So good luck.